Hello Ramailo people! We flew from London to Santorini. Luckily, there were no layovers and the direct flight made the journey very easy. We had plenty of opportunities to explore, and here are some of those moments.
As soon as we got to our hotel, we dipped right into the pool and took a well-earned break.
On the second day, we woke up very early in the morning, around 5 a.m, in hopes of catching a glimpse of the infamous skies of Oia, and it was worth every second of it.
Here are some drone footages above Oia in Santorini, one of the islands in the Aegean Sea.
It is a beautiful Greek island with spectacular turquoise seas and charming white houses.
Being the only inhabited caldera in the whole world makes its scenic views even more dramatic.
Hello guys, we're in Santorini right now and we're just making our way to don't really know, somewhere. It's really early at the moment and Ragish, it's just in the back.
This is a tight spot. I think that's the end of this spot. The sound.
Yes, stop it. The cafe more busy with this.
Okay. We made our way to Melenio cafe, as I had heard good reviews about it, and I can confirm all of them. It doesn't even fit. Can I see your pineapple juice, please?
We cannot recommend this quaint little cafe enough. It has polite staff, good selection of food, drinks and desserts. But the best part was definitely the outside balcony area with a direct front view of the blue domed church.
There is an abundance of these blue dome churches spread across the island. Wherever you go, you will easily spot one.
Wait, it's a magnet and... Is it a magnet? It's a magnet and oil sick?
In the middle, please. Yeah, and go faster.
Wait.
We eventually found ourselves going down the numerous stairs, trying to reach Amalfi Bay in the sweltering heat.
Will we make it down the Amalfi Bay in one piece Or will the Greek sun melt us away like soft cheese? Well, stick around for the next series and find out.
Thank you for watching till the end. Here are some footages of a cat family.
Give it to the mother because she needs it now.
दूध खाएगा ना.
You can feed them like milk also. Come on, Jinsun.
सीधे होना तो तेरे.
Are you hungry?